Hey there, foodies! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of mochi. This delightful Japanese treat has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. But before we dig in, let's explore some fascinating unknown facts about this chewy and versatile delicacy. Fact 1. Did you know that mochi has been enjoyed in Japan for centuries? It dates back over 1,000 years to the Heian period. Originally, mochi was considered a sacred food and was often used in religious ceremonies. Over time, it evolved into a beloved treat enjoyed by people of all ages. Fact 2. Mochi is made from a special type of rice called mochi gome. This short-grain glutinous rice has a higher starch content, which gives mochi its distinctive chewy and sticky texture. The process of pounding the cooked rice into a smooth dough is called mochitsuki and is traditionally done using a wooden mallet and a mortar called an usu. Fact 3. Mochi comes in a variety of flavors and fillings, making it a versatile treat. Traditional fillings include sweetened red bean paste, known as onko, and strawberries. However, modern variations have expanded to include matcha, chocolate, fruit, and even ice cream fillings. This diversity of flavors has made mochi a beloved dessert worldwide. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, let's taste this delectable mochi. Absolutely heavenly. The soft and chewy texture combined with the sweet and flavorful fillings make mochi an irresistible treat. That wraps up our journey into the world of mochi. I hope you enjoyed learning these unknown facts and are inspired to try making or enjoying mochi yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures. Until next time, happy munching!